back. We got a tiebreaker here in the first annual taco eating contest here at Jack in the Box at 500 Broadway, downtown Chico. Two guys had, how many was it? Six tacos each? Dean, right?
Yep.
All right. How you feel? You got
I'm feeling good.
ready to go. He's good. How you feeling, Daniel?
About to win.
All right. All right. Here's the deal, guys. I love it. So here's the deal, guys. You've got to eat one more taco, and whoever can snarf it down fastest is going to be our first place winner. Who's our timekeeper? We're right back here. Okay, I'm ready. I'm going to go 3, 2, 1, go, and that's when we start the clock. So here we go. 3, 2, 1, go.
Go, Dean!
He's chewing. He's chewing. He's standing up. I love that. 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 It's gone. Dean, that was great. Dean. All right. Oh, man. Hey, Dean, get over here real quick. Dean. So where did you come up with the idea to stand up?
My boss.
Boss said stand up. Said stand up, help it get down the gullet. Congratulations, guys. We've got a long hit country ride dead ahead right now on 103.5 The Blaze.